It is shoot day here early. Dylan, one of the guest dancers for Temper Tantrum, is here. He's practicing right now. Yeah, we got a long day ahead of us.
What's up?
Oh shit!
Come on, bitches!
Just get out of bed.
Yeah.
Holy shit, this is like, they have the same vibes.
You're so light!
I'm the heaviest I've ever been in my life.
You stop it!
Yeah, so the first thing we're going to be filming is obviously the establishing scene. Everything is going to be happening here in the parking lot, then everything after is going to be happening in the building up there. We're on the 6th floor, probably around that area or a little further down. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, the main focus thing we're going to be doing first is any of the acting scenes, and then we're going to be doing all the dancing stuff, because the last thing I want is them looking sweaty when they're supposed to be acting, and you know, having them looking disgusting. Appreciate y'all being on time. What we're gonna get started doing now is we're gonna get ready for the first scene. Let's take a deep breath in, breathe out. Main thing is focus, enjoy yourselves, be supportive of one another, and I do have snacks and water for you guys throughout the day, and let's go.
Alright, let me
Yeah! Get out of my shot.
Action!
Friends, do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again. Again, babe.
I'm so good the face. Ding, 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 ding.
Fuck you! Damn it! You fucking cut him like that, cut him like that.
What's happening right now, girl?
Damn it, that got that.
What's happening right now is that we're trying to get everything set up. There's Amanda, the main bad bitch. Brandon is helping them with blocking on the mirror.
Send help.
Joey and Noelle are helping with lights. There's Lauren. It's nice and cool in here. And hopefully we get everything done and done quickly.
No.
Have a gun even when I'm keep to yourself. Okay.
Wow. I'm sorry. What?
I hate you. That's the first step.
Would you do that in real life?
I actually did that and I got kicked out of a warehouse party. Alright, we're supposed to be on break, but I fucking knew it was gonna become a cipher. Oh!
So like that. you pick your shits. Action.
And toss that shit.
Rolling. And action. To your right, walk to the right.
If she moves that like anywhere to her left or right. Don't worry. Don't worry. Like, you're fine now.
Yes. Oh shit. Step to your right. Left. My back's hurting right now. Here we go. B-Roc for behind the scenes and all that goes. Noelle for behind the scenes and helping out with everything. Brandon for his vision. And last of all, yourselves for getting all this done today. And all the hard work. Good shit, guys. Let's just clean up. Bounce out of here and let's eat.
Yeah, it's good.
Good shit, guys. Amazing fucking work.